Academic integrity can be tricky to understand. Here are the top 5 tips to help you prevent academic integrity violations. Tip number 1, beware of online help sites. Sites like Course Hero and Chegg can be helpful study tools, but you will be called out for cheating if you copy and paste for your coursework. And you can't use them in exams. Using answers other students have posted to these sites is considered academic misconduct. You should also know that if you give your work to another student to copy, you are guilty of academic misconduct. So, be careful when you ask friends for help. Tip number 2, if you didn't write it, cite it. And that also goes for graphics, computer code, and other types of material. You might say, what's wrong with copying? Scholars do it all the time. True, but you have to do that right by giving credit to the creators. You have to properly reference where you found the material. There are a lot of helpful online tools such as styling and publishing guides found on the Campbell Library website. MLA and APA are often used. Ask your professor which one they prefer. My top tip is RefWorks. It's a tool that you can get from the library that allows you to save your sources as you find them. And it will even build the citation for you. Tip number 3. Get help early and plan ahead. A lot of students who get called up for academic integrity violations say they were in a rush and didn't understand the material. They got stressed. They felt overwhelmed and desperate. They waited until the last minute to complete an assignment. Sound familiar? You think plagiarizing or cheating is your last resort, but people do get caught. The best way to deal with all this is to get help early and plan ahead. Rowan offers a lot of help with coursework you probably don't know about. The Tutoring Center in Savitz Hall provides peer-to-peer tutoring from fellow students, and the Writing Center in the Campbell Library offers assistance with drafting, editing, and revising papers, so do yourself a favor. As soon as you feel yourself starting to struggle, go and get some help. Tip number 4, talk with your professor. So, if you are struggling or don't understand the course material or the instructions for an assignment don't make sense, ask your professor. Professors hold office hours and can make themselves available outside of class time to clarify information and help you. Talk to them early about difficulties you are having just shows you are taking the class seriously. It shows you are trying to be successful in the course. Tip number 5. Life happens and we can help. And let's be serious, you are not just a student, and there's a lot going on. So if you suffer from unexpected personal hardships, let your professor know before an assignment or exam deadline. Just ask for an extension. Maybe they can help. It's so much better than cheating to quickly complete the assignment. You can't use hardships afterwards as an excuse. Also, remember that the Wellness Center and the Dean of Students' Office offer many services for students who are in need of support. So, what are the big takeaways? Start your work early and talk to your professor if you need help, and check out resources available to you. For more information about academic integrity at Rowan, visit go.rowan.edu/academicintegrity.